Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be talking about Thermacell Patio Shield's Mosquito Protection Lantern. This is definitely something I need in my backyard in the summer. The mosquitoes are like totally out of control. If you guys would like some more information on Thermacell Patio Shield's Mosquito Protection, please be sure to check my video description for that. So this is like, it's like a cute little lantern. You put it on your table outside. If you guys are hanging out at night and you guys get like bad mosquitoes, it's October now. I'm in New York, so it does cool down at night. However, mosquitoes are still out and they were bad all summer, from the spring to the summer. So this is a 15-foot zone, has no candle and no open flame, which is good because then like if you forget to turn it off or something, it's no big deal. It's lightweight and silent. It repels mosquitoes without spray, and it's ideal for use on decks, patios, and backyards. So I always just put it on like the outside table, especially if we're eating dinner. You don't want to be hounded by mosquitoes. So you want to just, be sure that you have this outside. It tells you how it works here. Heat activated mat releases repellent into the air, creating a 15-foot zone of mosquito protection. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. At Thermacell, we stand behind our products and their performance. If you are not completely satisfied with your purchase, you may return it to us for a repair, replacement, or refund. Ideal for backyard, entertaining, and poolside. My mom actually she has like a motorhome, and she carries one with her. So like if she wants to go out to outside on like the picnic table to eat while camping at the campgrounds, it's always good to have this with you. Keep the mosquitoes away. So it tells you on the back the Thermacell mosquito repellent lantern. Tells you like the number you could call if you have any issues. Only for outdoor use as mosquito repellent. Do not use indoors, of course, in a tent or any enclosed area. Do not touch the grill while this device is in use, and do not cover while in use. Place on a flat, stable surface. Do not cover repeller during use, and do not expose device to rain. So, if it's, because it could get ruined, that's why. So if you guys are going to just like leave it outside and it's going to rain that night, just bring it inside with you or put it in your shed or wherever. And this is where they get the mosquitoes get repelled from. They have refills available. It tells you what's included. So 1 patio shield lantern in XL, 3 4-hour repellent mats, and 1 12-hour fuel cartridge. So those you'll eventually have to replace, but they do last a good amount of time, several weeks for me, and I was using it like every night. So repels mosquitoes without the spray, so you don't have to inhale any fumes or anything. No candle, no open flame, easy to use, no citronella smell, and it's clean, most importantly. So that's what I really like about it, is that there's no smell or anything like that, and of course that it works well. I'll show you guys. This is the pamphlet that comes inside. You can register your Thermacell products and double your warranty period to 2 full years instead of 1. Tells you here, Thermacell repellers, lanterns, torches, and accessories are guaranteed against defects under normal use for 1 year from the date of purchase. If your product fails to perform satisfactorily because of defects in material or workmanship, it will be repaired or replaced free of charge. If you register your Thermacell product with us, we'll double your warranty period. I think it's always kind of good to do that. If something could go wrong, always good to have a warranty. It's like pretty sleek, and I like the way it looks, and it's easy to carry around because it's got the handle. And then like I like that it's no open flame because I'm gonna have 2 little kids running around, and that's just like one less thing I have to watch, that they're touching. So it's LED light, scent free, and 100% satisfaction guaranteed. So I've been really happy with it. And I suggest having like a few of these just to put on like each table outside in the summer when you're hanging out, so you don't get attacked by mosquitoes. So I thank you guys so much for watching my video on Thermacell Patio Shield Mosquito Protection Lantern. I hope you guys found the video useful, and if you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks guys, and have a great day.